Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and this color fill. Kids, first color name: red color, pink color, brown color, sky blue color, light pink color and yellow color, orange color and blue color. Kids, shapes drawing and this color fill. Green color, shapes drawing kids. Circle. Kids, circle. Heart. Cloud. Cube. Cube. Right triangle. It's right triangle. Hexagon. Kids, color fill. Red color, circle, purple color, heart, yellow color, cloud, light green color, cube, brown color, right triangle, sky blue color, hexagon, circle, heart, cloud, cube, right triangle, hexagon. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.